Good morning, children. Now we are going to start a new chapter, that is profit and loss. So, first learn what is CP and what is SP. CP is the cost price of any article, that is called the CP. What is SP? SP is the selling price, the amount in which we sell the product. What happen if CP is greater than SP? जब कॉस्ट प्राइस खरीदने का दाम और सेलिंग प्राइस बेचने का दाम से ज़्यादा हो जाए, सो व्हाट वी फाइंड, वी हैव अ लॉस. देन वी हैव अ लॉस. इफ़ कॉस्ट प्राइस खरीदने का दाम इज़ लेस दैन द सेलिंग प्राइस, मीन्स द बेचने का दाम, तो देन वी हैड अ प्रॉफिट. ओके, so loss जब CP is more than SP and profit is when CP is less than SP. So profit and loss. So what is the formula of loss? If CP is greater than SP, so loss का formula होता है loss is equal to CP minus SP. बन गया एक formula. प्रॉफिट का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल्स टू, क्योंकि यहाँ पर SP बड़ा है, सो SP माइनस द CP. ओके, सो लॉस इज CP माइनस SP एंड द प्रॉफिट इज SP माइनस द CP. नाउ लॉस परसेंट और प्रॉफिट परसेंट. If we need to find the percentage of loss or percentage of profit, we always divided it with CP. Okay, we will always consider our cost price, not the selling price. So loss percent is equal to loss by CP into 100. Loss by CP into 100. What is the profit percent? So profit percent will be equal to profit by CP into 100. Understood? Now let us consider CP of an article is rupees 80 and selling price of an article is rupees 60. So what is this? So here the CP is more than SP, which means it is a loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP, that is 80 rupees minus 60 rupees, that is rupees 20. So this is our loss. How to take out the percentage of loss? So loss percent is equals to loss by CP, always CP, okay, CP into 100%. 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 25s are. So our loss percent is 25%. Now let us consider another example where CP is rupees 100, selling price is rupees 120. Now the selling price is more than the cost price, which means we have a profit. So profit is equals to SP minus CP, that is 120 minus 100, which means rupees 20. So here the profit is rupees 20. Now we need to find the profit percent. So profit percent will be equal to profit by CP into 100, that is 20 by 100 into 100. 100 got cancelled, so answer is 20%. Okay, so here is a basic understanding of what is profit and what is loss. CP means cost price, SP means selling price. When CP is more than selling price, then we are having a loss. When CP is less than the selling price, we have profit. So what is the formula of loss? CP minus SP. What is the formula of profit then? SP minus CP. loss percent or profit percent, we need to divide it with CP. So loss percent is loss by CP into 100 and profit percent is profit by CP into 100. Now CP is 80, selling price is 60 rupees. So our loss will be 80 minus 60, like this. We need to find the loss and the loss percent. Again, the second was selling price was 120 and the cost price was 100. Then we find the profit percent. So this was the basic understanding of what is loss and what is the profit. Thank you.